Hello everyone, welcome today. Um, today it's actually December the 25th, 2020, and the newspaper of yesterday, Thursday, December the 24th, 2020. I've mentioned that the coming days there are no newspaper, and I will solve the rest of the Sudokus. And today I will solve the other four Sudokus with 1 star. With the 2 stars, tectonic and number 1 I will solve, and the binary number 2. So for total of 4 extra Sudokus I will solve today. And I start with the Sudoku with a 1 star. Is it really a 1 star? I do not know, because the printed digits are 25. I have counted last time. So Sudoku with 1 star, 25, but also the 2 stars, also 25. So we will see the difficulty level. Is it an easy one? I do not know. Normally the 1 star has 27. Alright, and this Sudoku will be number 2063. Alright. So let's get started. We have a 7 in this column, a 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Then 7, 3. We see a 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So no row below. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Alright, let's continue with the 3. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for a 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, we see there 3, so no 3s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see there 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. The only place for a 4 should be there. And then 4 in the last row, 4 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. It should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We see there 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 8. 1 and 8 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 9. 5 and a 9. I cannot fill this in. Let me mark those 2 boxes for you. 5 and a 9. And then in this column we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And then let me see. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. These 2 boxes in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 8 is missing. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Ah, we have an 8 here. Stupid. We have an 8 here, so this can't be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square, the 7 and the 2. We have there 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the middle column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see there 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for a 1 should be here. And then, yes. in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 1. We see there 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The numbers 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. How about this number in this row? The missing number here is the number 5. 5 is missing. All right. How about let me see. These two numbers in the third row. The numbers are the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have there 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row, the second row for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for a 2 should be there. And all the 2s are not used. Missing here 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 2. All right. All right. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. Then, how about, let me see, these 2 numbers. In the last column, the 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 8. 8 is missing. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. No, 7 we have 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be the 9. 1 number left in the third column for the number 1. And a final 2 numbers in these in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you very soon in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. And it will be a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.